Hello everyone and welcome to Broome. Today we're here for the official opening of our new Broome combined ATC and firefighting facility. For the first time, Airservices is combining both ATC staff and our firefighters in the one facility. On the 18th of November 2010, some 20 months ago, ATC services were established here in Broome. This was our first new tower service in nearly 20 years. However, at the time we did not have a new facility, and while this new facility was being built, tower services have been provided from the old Cagris Tower. Broome is the first of 4 new towers being opened by Airservices in 15 years, and it is also the first tower to receive the new integrated tower automation suite, the INTAS technology. INTAS combines flight and operational data, surveillance and voice communications into a single integrated tower-specific layout. The new system will provide controllers with up to 4 customisable touchscreens displaying electronic flight strips, operational information, weather, terminal area and, where available, surface surveillance data. They'll also be able to control functions including airport ground lighting from the same controls. Each tower system can be customised to meet local operational requirements and will fully support capital city, regional and secondary airport operations. This is John Rudderman, the Unit Tower Supervisor here in Broome. John, do you want to give us a quick rundown of the new INTAS technology?
Thanks, Jason. This is the new tower INTAS technology. We've gone to a fully electronic strip format to replace the old procedural board. It works on the same workflows that you have in the standard tower, where we have a clearance delivery bay. We give an aircraft a clearance, and once it's read back, it goes into a clearance bay. Once we give him a taxi, it goes down to the taxi bay. So with top end, we'll move him down to the taxi bay. We'll give him taxi instructions. Once he calls tower ready, we just hit the action button there, ready, and once we give him a clearance onto the runway, it's just to highlight his call sign and into the runway bay. Once he's in the runway bay, we start getting a few alert messages. The orange is just to confirm his flight level when we give him his takeoff clearance, and the flashing red is just to do our COWARD with Brisbane Centre. So due to COWARD, we hit onto the flashing red. We go through there. We're going to give him flight level 180, so we don't need to enter any new instructions, and then just whether it's a left or right turn, left turn and then released, and they will go to green, which is for go. Once we give him the takeoff clearance, we hit the action button, puts takeoff there. Once we follow him down the runway with our scans, and once he's airborne, we hit that same button again, and it goes above the runway bay into the active bay. And then from there, it's just standard procedural approach. Every time we move the strip up through the board, we've got some form of separation. So Foxtrot Sierra Whiskey, once he was clear of Customs 22, we highlight the call sign, pick the one that he's clear of, and he automatically goes up there into the workflow. Once he's clear of our airspace, again we just highlight his call sign and we take him above what would have been the active bay in the old procedural board, and that way we know we've given him his onwards clearance to Brisbane Centre.
The opening of the new Broome facility marks not only a milestone in tower builds, but combined with the new INTAS technology and that Airservices operational staff in Broome are co-located, this is just another reason why Airservices is connecting Australian aviation to deliver world's best industry performance.